You can get paid $7 every minute on complete autopilot using this secret passive income online business. And you can get paid into your PayPal account, Payoneer account, or directly into your bank account. So even if PayPal is not available in your country, you can take withdrawals directly into your local bank account. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this tool called Pixabay.com. Pixabay is a tool where you can find different royalty-free images and royalty-free stock footages. They have over 5 million high-quality images, videos, and music which you can use for completely free. But don't worry, you don't need to click or sell any pictures here. Instead, we will be using these photos and pictures to set up our passive income system to make money on autopilot. That will earn us $7 every minute on complete passive income. So once you come over to Pixabay.com, I want you to click where it says join and create your free account on Pixabay. After that, I want you to search for dog in the search bar and press enter. And that's going to show us a ton of cute dog images. People love dogs a lot, and we need complete dog images just like this, where a dog is either standing or sitting. Make sure the image only has one dog in it, because that's what we need for the purpose of setting our passive income system. So for example, if you like this dog image, you can just open it from here. And then I want you to click on the download option on the from right here. And I want you to select the maximum size from there. Then you just need to click on download to save this image to your device. After that, just choose another dog's image from there and download it to your device. Just like this, I want you to download at least 5 to 10 images of dogs, cats, birds, and other pet animals you could think of. You can also use the sites like Pexels or Unsplash for the same to download high-quality pet images from there. All of them are free to use, and you can use their images for completely free. Now, the reason why we are downloading different pet images from Pixabay, Unsplash, or Pexels is that if I show you this online shop, you can see that they are selling custom pet phone cases using pet photos, custom t-shirts, custom pet pillows, custom pet mugs, custom blankets, custom portraits, and many other custom products using pet photos. So the owner of this shop doesn't need to spend time creating an image or designing their product, because the customers will provide the photos of their pets, and the shop owner just uses a print-on-demand service like Printify to print and ship the products to customers. And the good thing is that the shop owner doesn't even need to spend any money up front on Printify for their printing and shipping services. Printify takes its cut from the sale amount of every product sold by shop owner for cost Printify incurred for printing and shipping it. So it's a win-win situation for both the shop owner and Printify. And they are making over $3,000 a day by selling a product that they don't have to spend any time creating or even shipping themselves. And this is all possible because called print-on-demand online business model. It's just a simple drop shipping of mugs, phone cases, and t-shirt designs, where you use images, photos, or designs to create a product, and you partner up with a supplier like Printify, who would provide you with white label products like these phone cases, t-shirts, pillows, and mugs that can be printed on. Printify integrates directly with Etsy's marketplace and with other e-commerce sites like Shopify, eBay, Amazon, etc., making the whole process extremely easy. In this custom printables case, the customer will provide you with a photo of their pet, and all you have to do is to upload that pet photo to the item they want it to be printed on. And Printify will take care of the further printing and shipping process. The design that you uploaded will be printed on the item and shipped off directly to your customer, without you ever having to do any of the work and hustle yourself. Now, the step number 2 is to come over to Printify.com. I will leave a link to Printify in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Printify is a print-on-demand platform where you can find different white label products like phone cases, t-shirts, pillows, mugs, etc. that can be printed on. All you have to do is pick out one of these products and upload some designs to it, whether that is an image, text, or design, or drawing. After that, you can list your items on different e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Redbubble, or on a Printify shop called Printify Pop-Up, etc. And whenever someone buys your items from these e-commerce sites, the order will be fulfilled by Printify automatically, and you will get your profit for that sale. Now, if I show you this shop on Etsy, you can see that this shop called ModPause US has already sold over 180,000 items till now. They are just selling custom pet phone cases using pet photos, custom pet pillows, custom pet mugs, and many other custom products using pet photos. They are selling these items for $19, for $30, for $9, and so on. Even if we take the average price of $10 per item sold, you can do the math that they have already earned over $1.8 million from this one shop only. And don't worry if Etsy is not available in your country, because you can also use other e-commerce sites for that, like the Redbubble, which is available in almost all countries around the world and accepts sellers from almost all countries including India. Or you can use Amazon to sell your custom items, or eBay is also a great option for that. This is one of the easiest passive income business model that you can start to make money online for completely free. I I am sharing this method again on our channel because it is one of the best methods to make money online in 2024 and beyond. Even you can use this method to monetize your Christmas this year by creating a Christmas items like socks, hats, and selling them on your shop using the Printify. Now the step number 3 is, I want you to register yourself on Printify by clicking the first link in the description of this video or the pinned comment. And once you log into your Printify account, this is how your dashboard will look like. And the first thing I want you to do is to click on My New Store and select Add a New Store option from there. It will take you to this page right here, where you can connect your Etsy store, Shopify store, TikTok US store, eBay, Walmart, Printify pop-up store, and many other stores to your Printify account. Once you connect your store, I want you to click on the catalog option from the left and select different items one by one from there. As you can see, this shop is selling phone cases, pillows, mugs, t-shirts, and much more. So we will also design these items on Printify for our shop one by one. Starting with the phone case items, just select it from there. That's going to take you to this page where you can see different white label phone case designs for iOS and Android phones that we can use. And if this is your first time creating these phone case designs, I would suggest you go with any of the 3 phone cases on top of this page because they are the most selling ones. So let's say we go ahead with this one. On the next page, you will be shown different mockups for your phone case designs, which look really nice. Now you just need to scroll down a little bit and press the Start Designing Products option from there. And that's going to take you to this page where you can start designing your first item, which is the phone cases for your shop. And for this, we need to upload our dog's images to Printify, which we downloaded from Pixabay. You can also use sites like Unsplash and Pexels to download the dog or any other pet images. So just click where it says Upload, select My Device option from there to upload the dog's image from your computer or laptop device that you want to paste on this item. And the image will be put on our item. Now we just need to edit and readjust it a little bit so that it looks nice on our mockup. So first of all, we can see that this image has a background. And if we take a look at the items of this shop, they don't have any background to those pet photos they used on their items. So we just need to remove the background from our dog's image. And the good thing is that Printify has all the editing tools that we need to edit our designs and to make them look more attractive to the customers. So to remove the background from this image, we just need to click on the background remover icon on the top. And a pop-up window will open up from there, where we can either manually remove the background using this eraser that you can see on your screen, or we can just press the quick remove button from there. And in just a few seconds, Printify will remove the background from our image perfectly. After that, we just need to click apply button, and our image without background will be available for us on our item. Now we just need to adjust our image a little bit on our phone case mockup, so just place it at the center of our phone case. Make sure your dog image covers the bottom area till this outer black line because otherwise it will look very odd on our phone case. And once you adjust the image, I want you to add a text to our mockup. So just click on the add text option from the left and select a font for your text. I am going with this font, but you can choose any font you like from here. Then I want you to adjust the text on the top of our dog image. So just adjust it like this on top of our dog image. And now I want you to type the name of our dog. So for example, we can name it as Caesar, and that's it. Our first item is ready. Now the Printify has many tools right here for you to design your items. Like this AI image generator tool, just click on that and a pop-up window will open up where you can generate AI images with just a simple text prompt. First of all, I want you to select the style for your image from here. I will just select a photographic style because we need a realistic image for our item. Then I will just enter a simple prompt for our dog image, which will be like a dog on a white background. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the image will be. Now I will just press the generate image button from here, and in just a few seconds, our image will be ready. As you can see, the Printify AI image generator has created a very cute image of a dog, which we can also use for our phone case mockup. So there are many Printify tools like this, which you can use to improve your image and make it a lot better. Now once you're done editing your image, you can just click where it says preview, and you will be taken to this page, where you can see the different previews of your phone case. And you can see that our design looks pretty amazing. And if you don't like something in your design, you can click the edit button and keep editing the image till it looks perfect according to you. Otherwise, you can just click on the save product to save this product design to your Printify account, which you can find under my products in your account. Just like this, you can create different catalogs of products on Printify for your online e-commerce site and connect your Etsy shop or any other online shop to Printify so that you can directly add your designs from Printify to your online shop and integrate both Printify and your online shop. And whenever someone buys an order from your shop, it will go straight to Printify, and Printify will print the product and ship it to the customer's location. They will handle all the printing and shipping charges, and they will give you the profits after deducting these charges from your sale amount. Printify is the best platform to create your product designs and to create and sell custom design products. You don't need to invest any money to create your products, design them, or do anything in the process. Just download the images of pets from free sites like Unsplash, Pixabay, or Pexels. Upload your designs to Printify products, connect your Printify shop to Etsy, price your items around $7, $10, or even $20. Whatever you feel is the most profitable for you and the most affordable for your customers. And boom, you will be able to generate money like these shops and earn $7 every minute in just a matter of few months. Once again, I will leave a link to Printify in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can register yourself from there and start making money from today itself. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.